out this crazy rain. I had to get my flashlight just to show you. This ain't even getting it done. It is pouring here. Unbelievable. It's raining buckets of water. This is amazing. This is Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Actually, West Mifflin, PA. But a rainstorm like no other. Lightning, you got it all coming today, buddy. Hoping for a good thunder crack. It's amazing looking. Just look at that rain coming. It's unbelievable how hard it's raining. It is raining so hard, it's unbelievable. I hope nobody's experiencing this, and I know a lot of you out there are. Please hang in there. If you need any help, let me know in the comment section. I can do what I can do for you. Nobody told you I love you today. I